So now we have our chocolate chunks in here. The camera died again.
Hey. Yo.
Do you like brownies?
Oh my god, thank you for asking because I really like brownies.
Oh my god. That's my phone.
Oh my god, don't show that phone.
So we got a real treat for you today. We've got whiskey.
Don't show that.
We've got eggs.
Don't show that.
Show them. You stupid bitch. Egg tables. This is the butter I was using as lube, and then I took a bite out of it and it tasted like ass.
Okay, can we just fucking do it?
I'm trying. Okay. How do you make a brownie?
I don't know. Actually, we didn't read it. We didn't read it.
All you need is butter. Fucking whiskey back, bitch.
Girl, what do you want whiskey for?
I want to take a shot. So we got 2 eggs. we got too many eggs.
Shit.
We got too many eggs.
Shut up your ass.
Oh, do we have water? Yes.
we paid the water bill.
We're gonna preheat. Do you know how to preheat an oven?
Yeah, you turn it on.
Preheat it to 180 degrees conventional, or 160 fan force.
Now that's intimidating.
Do that? I can't read this with my lashes on. I'm gonna preheat the oven. We've done that. Grease a 5 centimeter deep, 20 centimeter square kitchen. This is neither of those things, but it's a baking tin. So we're gonna be fine. So we need to grease it.
With what?
I don't know, rub butter all over it.
Don't we have to use this?
No, just get parchment paper. Just get some fucking parchment paper.
What is that?
Like the fucking, this fucking no. The baking paper. You know what baking paper is?
I don't know what that is. This one's extra wide, is that alright?
Mm-hmm.
Did you want extra wide?
Yeah. I think that's acceptable.
Acceptable. Is this what we're putting it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna make a fat ass brownie for our fat ass.
Fat ass brownie for fat ass. Oh, I overstimulated.
Well, you crunch it up first. No, crunch it up all the way first. Like, like in your hands, crunch it all the way up with your baking hack. Yes, completely. And now undo it and put it in, and then it'll like take shape to the tin mill. You fucking suck so much ass. Do it on here so people can see.
Oh, you want to see? So then.
And now, right, you're a fag on it.
That's what my teachers wrote on my essays. Oh, wait, that does work!
Yeah, girl, I did hospo in school.
Are we using this butter?
Huh? Yes.
Does it say that we have to use
Yes, we have to use it. Read the fucking thing, remember?
Oh, we didn't get the icing thing that we were going to.
We're not gonna. Oh yeah, we're gonna make ganache.
Oh well.
No
do
ganache.
Do we have icing
Ganache makes you
sugar?
fat. Yeah, we do. Remember, we bought a whole ice cream.
Oh my
full.
god, we do.
It came back to help us.
Yes.
Oh fuck.
Gotta do the cooking method. Did you take a shot? I think that we were going to.
It is
This is not entertaining.
5 p.m. on Thursday. I think you should cut up a line and snort it.
Snotty shit.
Oh fuck.
Hey, I asked for icing sugar, not orange chocolate ice cream.
This is my favorite brand of icing sugar.
200 grams of...
Do you want a shot?
No. I'm not taking a fucking shot.
You suck.
Liddy, what the hell's the time?
5 p.m.
It's literally
5 p.m. on a
She made it
Thursday.
to the 5.
It's 5 p.m. on a Thursday. Yeah. 5 p.m. Then I can break out the Pinot Noir.
What do I do?
I don't know, but I didn't open this right.
Yo.
Maybe we should do it up here so they can see what we're doing with our heads.
There's 2 bags.
Ah, is that for the icing?
I don't want to put icing on it now. Just because I
don't want to make icing anyway.
Let's do shit.
I just want to like drizzle some chocolate sauce on it.
We don't have chocolate sauce.
We got some maple syrup.
So, do I just put it in a bowl?
I was mixing.
This is gonna go everywhere.
Then do it in the fucking bowl. Girl, what are you doing? We got scissors. Oh my god.
If you got scissors, go get them.
Good.
Okay,
get some scissors and cut yourself a bang, that nasty ass fucking lace line, bitch.
Can we use this little knife?
Now you don't want to, you have to do it through a sieve, but Nivalia wouldn't let me have one. So we're gonna have clumps.
That is not why we don't have a sieve.
It's because I used it to strain my pasta and I don't know where it is now. Why is it fucking...
Alright, now let's put in the butter.
Do we have to like soften the butter? Can we do a recipe? I really made you a recipe. Can we just put it in the microwave and make cake in a cup?
Where does the box go? Did we say what we were doing?
We're making a brownie.
Making brownie.
With whiskey.
But we don't know how to do it. No, we're not putting whiskey in it.
I want it though. We can't anyway. It's liquid. It'll go in the oven and alcohol burns off.
Does it really?
Yes. Oh my god. I'm so smart. Alcohol has a lower boiling point than water.
So what are you doing now? Nothing.
Nothing.
Place brownie mix, butter, or margarine. Oh, you could do margarine.
No, but butter's better. Fuck your margarine. Fuck a condensed olive oil.
Stop yelling.
No, I fucking don't like it.
Why are there bits all over the butter?
Cause I don't know.
Yeah, you'll probably have to melt it down.
Nah, it'll be fine.
No, melt it down. Put it in the fucking microwave.
Bitch. No, I'm cutting it. The right amount first. Don't fucking slut.
That's not 100 grams.
Wait, that was like 50 grams. Shit. We're gonna do this much butter and it's gonna be fucking fine.
It's gonna be butter tested.
That's like 100 grams. Okay, but wait. What are we doing with this butter?
Put it on a plate.
You're a plate.
Yeah.
No, I need it.
I feel like I've been looking down this whole time.
Well, yeah, look.
I
Looks like where the light is.
I don't like what I've done on my face.
I don't like it either.
Do you not?
Making it kind of beautiful.
No, it's just, maybe it's just the hairline. I don't know. I need to fucking throw this wig away.
There's like salt and pepper on the butter.
Yeah, what the fuck?
No, girl. Yeah, that should be roughly 100 grams. It's okay, it's not like baking's a science. Oh, okay.
What?
Nothing, I just tried to get past you.
There's nowhere to go.
My tits were too big.
But me tits are too big. Why is there salt and pepper on here?
Because I made a sandwich.
With butter?
You don't put butter on your sandwich, you're fucking weird.
Stop! Why are you judging me so harshly?
Shit. Just
Shut the fuck up.
Everything you do is shit.
Okay, microwave.
Wait, don't completely moisten it though. I think it just needs to be like creamed. It needs to be just softened.
It just needs to
Put it in for like 10 seconds.
No, 20.
No, don't put it for 20.
Girl,
Girl,
20.
it's gonna be fucked. This whole thing is gonna be disgusting.
Sweet little bumblebee.
Getting you and getting me.
Thumbnail. the oven exploded with brownie butter everywhere. Okay. I think that's it. Ah!
It's just nice and
I
soft.
want to do the eggs. No, you do one egg.
I'm not doing no eggs.
You don't want to do the egg?
You can do the eggs. I did the butter. No, I didn't. You did.
I've been doing eggs all my life. Just a little bit. Get that butter out of here, girl. I'm actually a bit scared. Okay. Have you seen the girl? We have to cut this up, but have you seen the girl in the TikToks and she's got Tourette's and she holds eggs and she like throws them everywhere? Have you seen that? Have you seen that?
No. Fucking one of the cats took it down.
Alright, put it down so I can put an egg in it.
I didn't think we boiled the butter enough.
Yeah, I fucking told you fucking...
You gotta do it in view of the camera.
We're gonna have to mute all these fucking words.
Yeah, we should just put like Mario Wahoo sound.
Yahoo!
Here we go!
Oh, Yahoo!
Yeah.
What the Yahoo?
What the
Oh my gosh. Is it 2 eggs?
Yes! Oh my
They say size 6 and we got size 8.
Oh my god, it's fine.
How do you measure eggs?
By I don't know how much fucking how destroyed the chicken's pussy is. The fuck should I know? Do I look like a fucking farmer?
Do I look
like I raise fucking hens? I only do what hens do. Cause,
and that's earthquake.
Drag. Come on, Christchurch.
Come on, Christchurch. They rebuilt their city. They
With
got
tin
so
cans.
much debt.
When they said, look at my church made of tin cans.
It's not tin cans. It's cardboard. Like.
Oh, they made other things out of tin cans. Remember, it was all
Let's
the rage.
get a real professional mix.
But you need to like, do it on an show the people. Show the 3 people that are gonna watch it. And it's gonna be us watching it 3 times.
Do you see it?
Do you like it?
Do you like my butter?
I don't.
I love my butter. Oh!
You're a fucking stupid cunt. So, currently, it looks like
Currently
this.
it's panic time. Maybe that other bag is like the chocolate chips, actually.
No, it feels like icing sugar.
Then there's no chocolate chips in there. What are we supposed to put?
Oh, well we can always put Rolo in it. Wait, open this. No, it feels like
Post. No.
it feels like icing sugar though.
Yeah. Is there no chocolate chips in there?
No.
Then how are we gonna eat it?
Let's put some Rolo in it.
Look at the fucking camera. It sounds really good. You should have like a microphone.
ASMR.
That's what it sounds like.
I look like Olivia Newton-John post-mortem. Post-mortem?
Post-mortem.
Post-mortem.
Dead.
So these brownies are great for like, if it's a rainy day, or if you're throwing a party, or if your boyfriend cheats on you to fuck a cat. Yeah. Yeah.
Smell that.
No, it's not, wait. No, honey, that's cocoa powder. That's pure hot chocolate powder. That should be in here.
No! It didn't say to put that in there.
But it smells like hot chocolate.
No, that is.
Oh, because chocolate icing. I'm stupid.
Hey, no.
Fuck it.
No.
That should be the thumbnail.
I look
should be stupid.
No, but I just look stupid.
Yeah. Oh, right. Well, I tried to look good, so you're the one who chose this insane wig.
I know
and
it
this
is.
weird fucking outfit.
I know.
I said let's do 1950s like little pin-up like housewife outfits, and you said no. So then I was like, okay, well I'm gonna come off the set of Desperate Housewives, and you're just gonna look desperate.
Come. What do I do?
There's so much butter chunks. We're gonna have to put this in for another like 10 seconds, then we're going.
So, what do you think about the pelican problem in East London?
Death to all of them? No, what do you think, what is your plan to close the socioeconomic gap?
You really want to know?
Yeah.
Diabetes.
Oh my god. There's plenty of that to go around. Do you wanna lick this? Don't lick it, it's raw egg. Did you just get that in my fucking wig?
No.
Is it on my wig?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna wipe this on your ass so it looks like you shat
She's
yourself.
so ugly.
Oh my god. At least I put shoes on for this, you fucking piece of shit.
I do have shoes on. What are you talking about?
Yeah,
But I have shoes on. She's a pathological
thigh-high
liar.
femboy cat.
No,
socks.
I have anal warts and I'm not.
I'm wearing a 1-inch flat.
Stop.
If I get you an onion, will you eat it like an apple?
Yeah, that's not abnormal.
That is fucking not normal. It is not normal.
There's so many people who do that.
What, you and your weird degenerate family?
No, I can name at least 3 people.
You in drag, and you halfway between.
And Queen Elizabeth's dead body.
Wasn't she like reincarnated as Trisha Paytas' baby? Do you remember that was a thing?
Yeah.
You microwave this for like.
Wait, we're not even done.
I know, I'm just putting it in there for like 10 seconds.
For what?
Because the butter's not melting.
But everything else is gonna melt.
Good. Right? As long as the eggs don't cook.
Wait, you ruined it!
You did that!
No, we didn't. What does that say now? Oh, we didn't put water in it.
Oh, that's why it's so fucking dry. Oh my god,
It's kind of
measure
like
out some
jar.
water.
How much? 15 mils.
A fistful.
It says 1 tablespoon.
Can you give me 1 fistful of water? I think middle dry. Like second. Oh no, that's a tablespoon now, the red thing.
Is that a tablespoon?
There's still so many butter chunks.
That was my name in prison. Butter chunks. Ah!
Do you ever just hate yourself?
I
Or
would
just wish.
Move! I need to put water in it!
Fucking rancid.
Can we. I wonder if, like. Can you get out of my way, you fucking wig? We just offended a whole country.
It's okay, they're white.
True. Baguettes all around. That looks much better.
Frog spawn.
Why is it that this arm is really strong?
Because some of us have to pay our bills in other ways. Like training people at the gym. And baking cake for a living.
I actually kind of do love scissors. Do you ever sit down and just play with scissors and just hold them? And
No, because I'm not
fix
fucking
up how your teeth
psychotic.
look? What? Like
That is like
it's a normal
signs
thing.
of being a fucking
No, I have these scissors and they make a really cool
serial killer.
sound and they're really thick, so it's hard to like press them together. So it's like really satisfying and they make a cool sound.
Sometimes I sit on the toilet and I snip my butt hair.
Yeah,
Okay, I've done enough of this.
you're really good at that. I should do it more often.
Should we crush up some Rolo? It'll be caramel and
Okay, do it. Break it down now.
Let me see you back it up. Get that ass down low to pick that motherfucker up.
I literally look like a mom. This is so weird.
And I look like I married into wealth. New money. Make sure to keep your area clean as you cook. That way, your flatmates don't come home and scream at you later. It's funny. Where the fuck is the rolling pin? Okay, we're just gonna have to.
Sure.
I will kill you. I will fucking end your fucking game, bitch. This really paints me as like an aggressive person, not just like some annoying weirdo.
True. Did you get the roller?
Give it back, bitch. It was right here and I saw you fucking, I heard you fucking moving it around.
What are you talking about?
Give it the fuck back, this is a smeg knife. These things are sharp, girl.
Oh shit, I better get
Give me
myself
a
sorted.
fucking roller back.
I didn't take any roller. I just asked you. You literally took it. You didn't bring anything
It
over.
was here, dude.
You were just looking for rolling pins.
I will fuck you up.
Okay.
Like fucking whiskey.
Oh shit. I guess I'm not doing roller.
Give me that fucking
I
chocolate.
don't have your chocolate.
I'm not playing the game with you. It's embarrassing. Fucking embarrass me. Why are we doing this? Yeah. Fucking kneecaps will get.
Good. Oh my god. Go get it from the fridge, whore.
Not in the fridge. You put it back in the fridge. If you put it back in the fridge, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
You fucking suck. Give me a fucking chocolate.
Make sure you get some wrapping. Oh my god, the landlord's here. Imagine, he just walks in and he's like, get out of my house.
No, he loves drag queens.
That's what they will say. What have you done today to make it feel proud?
Yeah.
Starting my solo career in Korea.
Face North Korea. Escape North Korea challenge. Impossible. With my sister.
The train's coming.
The train's coming. Don't want to do it. Nivalia! You didn't even say our fucking drag names. Yeah, so this is Beatbox Bit, Wheat Bix, and I'm Soap. So now we have our chocolate chunks in here, the camera dead again. And I'm gonna get a little device, a little friend of mine called this wooden piece of shit. And we take this wooden piece of shit and we combine it into this shit. And then I can start folding in all that nasty Rolo chocolate. Do you know that Nestle owes 30% of L'Oreal?
Does it?
Yeah.
You got chocolate. Wait, Nestle's chocolate, right?
Yes, the Nestle's Rolo, Kit Kat,
And who owns what?
Nestle owns L'Oreal, 30% of it.
She owns her. See if I can get up for
Is this? Oh, this is so chunky. No, that's the fucking chocolate.
Oh, that's the chocolate.
Yes, you hate this bitch.
Honestly, my arms are so tight from that mix.
Anyway, I've literally done everything. Do you wanna put it in the thing?
Can you show me how to do it?
Take a spoon. Oh my god. I'm gonna just dip it in there. This is literally
Okay, can you do it fucking properly?
What do you mean I'm trying? I don't know how to do it.
Oh my god, just do it.
You're doing it. Do it.
I don't know how to do it.
I don't know. You just told me to do it properly. You told me how to do it properly. So fucking do it yourself.
What the hell are you doing?
Is this even big enough?
It's big enough.
Is it big enough?
I think it might be big
It
enough.
might be big enough.
Oh my
Oh, wait, I think we already got it.
Oh my god, I got it!
Oh yeah, we should go. I lost the game.
I lost the game.
Just lost the game. Sorry, guys.
I lost me, man. I think now next video we need to look pretty because you're really.
I look fucking stunning.
No, you're that's no. We
Don't climb that staircase.
Because Miley Cyrus is on the other end going, is that what I'm being man? Oh, dumb deep blue.
Uphill battle.
Sometimes you're gonna have to lose.
Ain't about how fast I get there.
What's waiting on the other side?
Aye. It's the climb.
It's the steakhouse.
What the fuck?
I can't do this.
Get a different device. I don't know.
This is not my house. Go get your own shit.
I don't know. You're the one doing it. I'm not doing it.
Exactly, so go get me something. Can you give me a spoon?
You're a spoon. Smell like flour.
Girl. People have been smelling your flour for years and all they do is get sick.
Girl, that ain't a flower. That's a fucking Venus flytrap.
You know, plants are supposed to be medicine. Why does yours make people even more diarrhea?
Even more.
Even more diarrhea.
You wanna think before you say it, you daft cunt?
You're daft. You're daft punk.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I will make money off my music.
Go ahead, sing them a song.
Can change your hair, change your clothes, mind where it goes.
Hey, take that. Come on, give me the spoon! Oh my god. Stop! I can't do this. There's too much.
You're just not very good, and that's okay.
Honestly,
accept
don't even
it.
get me to bake. I'm not a baker.
Yeah, clearly. I can fucking see it.
Yeah, try that.
No, it's got raw egg in it. Get the fuck away from me, bitch! Shit, I'm losing batter. Fuck!
No, don't put it in there! You're disgusting! Wash your hand.
Do we look better? We're on our phone now.
It won't stand up now. Ah.
I just can't breathe in that direction.
Ah.
Ah! Girl, this is gonna be so bad.
Like, we can't see, like, the top part now. We
No,
can't
we
see
can't.
this, so we can only see, like...
Okay.
If you want to... Yeah, we've switched cameras because the other camera died, so...
Now we're on a
with it.
phone.
We should have done this before.
Yeah.
Save it for the gram. Save it for the teddy
Yeah,
gram.
but then we use. Oh, fuck!
Can you not?
I don't.
fuck it
I'm
up?
not. I'm not trying to.
Move
I'm
it.
trying my best.
Actually, honestly, it doesn't even matter. It's literally just running.
Well, it needs to be evenly spread because there's a big. We don't want one side to be like this high and the other
I
side to be
mean,
as
you would
flat
know
as
about
an ass.
evenly spread, right?
I evenly spread my STDs all over town. Yes. Come see Nivalia on Saturday at a show.
Yeah,
Any
and they'll all
Saturday.
turn up.
Yeah. All no one that's gonna watch this. Do you like you? I don't. Tell me about the time, your best, like the best time you ever did. Yeah, that hurt. Yeah, fuck you. That hurt me.
A bitch wasn't fake.
I don't care. I don't want them. It's so annoying to clean.
That-
always so rotten.
You literally assaulted me.
Yeah.
I'm calling the police.
Oh, fuck you in your sleep, bitch. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta
Just dance. This brownie's gonna be so fat.
Tell me your top 10 grocery stories.
Tell me the duck story.
One time I went shopping with my mother and
And then I got a restraining order.
there was one cake left and I grabbed the cake just as an old lady was about to grab it and I ran away.
Were you the old lady?
No,
Was I the old lady?
no.
Okay, well, what is
It's
it?
not about you.
That's
I'm
what it
telling
is
about my
me. Shut
child.
up. Well, what are you talking about?
Talking
Hurry up
about
and
my
tell
childhood
them. Well, tell them what
story.
you're talking about then.
And then
Oh my god, you're so boring. Like, can we just fucking do this? Put it in the oven.
it can't go in the oven yet.
Why?
It's gotta preheat.
We can still put it in the oven.
Okay, but it's gonna overcook. It's gonna cook all wrong. Just put it in the oven then. I fucking hate you. You need to cut this off. You're gonna burn the fucking house down.
You're the one who told me to put it in like that.
No, I told you to put it in good and you just didn't. It's fucking
Can you
shit.
please put it in the oven? Oh, actually, I'll put it.
What the hell's that? I don't know.
Take it out.
I'm trying to find a tea towel.
Over there. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, so...
Get center of the shop.
And it's not even cooked, we're just letting it. Ah.
It's like been like 20 times where we've been like, okay, wait, now thumbnail. We should just, that's our running joke. Clean your fucking hands, you dirty piss of filth.
I've been fisting again.
Oh. Funny. I need to stop vaping on camera, or you're gonna see a smoke.
The smoke alarm goes off.
It will though.
That we can.
I like that I wore my crown today.
No!
Stop rolling. I throw an egg at you.
Are you a paleontologist? Because...
Should we do a video where we decorate eggs for Easter?
No.
Okay, we paint eggs.
No one decorates eggs for Easter.
Yeah, but that's how we can lie and say that we're American.
Wait, turn around. No, show you back.
Wait. No, put your foot up,
No!
Yeah, thought no. Sweatpants.
I have full tights on.
She got
I have pads,
I have
and shoes on.
I have pads and tights under my bloody...
Same.
Oh my god. Not functioning. Under my jeans.
Wait, how long does the brownie stand?
I don't know. 30 to 35 minutes.
30 for what?
30 to 35 minutes or until the skewer inserted into the center comes
Wait.
out with a few moist.
What did you say?
30 to 35 minutes until a skewer is poked into it and it comes out.
Oh,
clean.
there's a cross on here. Oh, we can't make this.
Why?
Because we're not Christians.
something else. She's not a Christian! She's a cold-hearted snake.
Alright, tell them all the celebrities you don't know. All of them.
Well, I don't know them, so how am I fucking supposed to...
I look like a man, but don't tell them.
I know what Ariana Grande is, but only by sound.
I know who he is.
I know who, yeah. He's my favorite.
What were we looking for again? 30 seconds per minute. Should we start a timer? What the hell?
I don't know if my nipple was out.
Wait,
we have to cross
should we
out.
start a fucking timer?
Hey Siri. Hey
I
Siri.
don't know my phone. Oh my god.
30-minute timer.
Now we're looking for my phone.
You're dumb person. Hey Siri, 1 million year timer.
Can I do that?
Alexa can.
Oh, hey Alexa.
We don't have Alexa,
Oh,
bitch.
okay, no.
We're poor.
I'm not that rich. I just thought it was on your house. No, why?
Alarm timer.
Alarm!
It's easy to do.
My forehead's huge. Excuse me. This is why I'm glad I'm wearing like some cool wigs.
And then you want to put it in the rice cooker for like 45 minutes. And you know what we need? Some cheese. Because it ain't gonna slide down easy if it ain't cheesy.
No.
Hey! Hi! I'm a little bit drunker, a little bit livelier. Her jewelry keeps breaking. We finished the brownie. And it needs to cool for half an hour, so stay tuned for the next...
Stay tuned for
the
part
next
3.
video where we'll be eating the brownie.
Part 15.
Part 29.
Part 82.
Part 17.
Part 500, 200,628.
Ah! We made...
Slab.
I think she's doing it. We got the close-ups on this camera.
We could have done that whole time. But also you're doing it the wrong way. You're doing it the wrong way for the close-ups.
I'm not.
Turn the bloody phone! Turn the phone.
Ah!
So much icing sugar.
Yeah, because you're fucking shit at your job.
No, I don't know how to bloody do it. You can't bloody blame me.
Don't you fucking stop? Just because I have voluptuous, beautiful boobs. Trying to fucking...
Just because I have
fucking-
voluptuous, beautiful boobs.
Yeah, because I look good and you look... Yeah.
Tell me what I look like. Tell me
Girl, I don't think there's a word for it. Wait, turn around. Turn around, turn around. Turn the fuck around. Turn around. That's what it looks like. Yes, all the icing sugar you put on it.
That's really good.
You're getting clown lung from all the icing sugar. And that's what it looks like.
Mine looks like that too.
Wait, thumbnail. I actually choked. It's too hot.
Oh, I'm not.
I got
You're just a pussy.
Yeah, I got pussy now.
Yeah, you fucking pussy.
Dislike and leave a comment about how we're grooming your kids.
And let's be real. let's be real. ISIS is calling. ISIS is
They
calling.
want to recruit me.
Oh. Okay, let's be real. Thanks. Bye.
Do I look good?
We've done like 10 minutes. Bitch, you know you look bad.